Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So let's start now. First question is, by using properties of determinant, show that x plus 4, 2x, 2x, that is first row, and second row is 2x, x plus 4 and 2x, second row, and third row is 2x, 2x and x plus 4. This is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. Okay, by using properties of the determinants, show that. Okay, so let's start first. Write
Okay, sir.
on the question and see what first. You see the right hand side. Right hand side is 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. So how to make 5x plus 4? How to make 5x plus 4? Say x plus 4, 2x and 2x. So if you add x plus 4 plus 2x, then 2x plus 2x, 4x, 4x plus x, 5x. So 5x plus 4 is coming now, 5x plus 4. If you add R1
Yes,
plus
sir.
R2, R1 plus R2 plus R3, because right hand side is 5x plus 4 is there. So it is coming
Yes,
5x
sir.
plus 4. So apply R1 at R1 position, R1 plus R2 plus R3. That means R1 plus R2 plus R3. So x plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x, 5x plus 4. Okay. Now say second element of the first row 2x, then x plus 4, then 2x. So 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. Then 2x, 2x. Third element of first row 2x. Then third element of the second row 2x. Then third element of the third row x plus 4. So sum of these all three, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. Okay. Now 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, all three elements of first row is same. So taking out common. So common 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 common. Then remaining is 1, 1, 1, because we are taking common 5x plus 4. So 1, 1, 1. Now to make 0, how to make 0? 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Then at C2 position, C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1, 0, and C3 minus C1, that is column 3 minus column 1. Apply column 2 minus column 1 equal to 0 and column 3 minus column 1 equal to 0. See, it is 0. 1 minus 1,
Yes, sir.
0, and x plus 4 minus 2x, 4 minus x, that is minus x plus 4. So 2x minus 2x is 0, and then again third column minus first column, 1 minus 1, 0, then 2x minus 2x, 0, then x plus 4 minus 2x, minus x plus 4, minus x plus 4, that means 4 minus x, 4 minus x. Okay. Now x plus, that is 4 minus x, is common from C2 and C3. From C2, that is column 2, 4 minus x is common, and so from column 2, 4 minus x is common, and column 3 also 4 minus x is common. So 4 minus x into 4 minus x. Now 1, 0, 0, 2x, 1, because we're taking common 4 minus x. So 1 remaining, 0, then 2x, 0, 1. So now we can expand along C3. So C3 column 3 is 0 0 1. So two zeros are there, only one element 1. Easily we can expand. So along C3 the plus minus plus. So deleting corresponding rows and column, one position, deleting corresponding rows and column. So which determinant left? See, 1.
Sir, 4 minus, it will be 5x plus 4 into 1, and determinant will be 4x 0, 4 minus x 0 and 0, 4 minus x.
That means
So the answer came.
1 0 2x 1. So 1 into 1 1 and 2x into 0 0. So 1 minus 0 1. So the result is 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x, 4 minus x, 4 minus x whole square. So 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. So this is the right hand side. So
Yes, sir.
this given result is true. Okay, clear now? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next you see, so you have to see right hand side. What is the right hand side? Then you see by which operation that right hand side will come. Now next question, y plus k, y first row, and second row is y plus k, y, and third row is y plus k. Now okay, so the right hand side of question number 2 is, say question number 2 right hand side is k square into 3y plus k. So how to make 3y plus k? Say y plus k plus y, sum of these three elements, y 3y plus k. That means r1 plus r2 plus r3. We can apply this. See, so at r1,
Yes, sir.
r1 plus r2 plus r3. So 3y plus k is coming. So 3y plus k. Second element also same, y 3y plus k. Then y, that is 3y plus k. So applying at r1 position, row 1, r1 plus r2 plus r3. So all the elements of row 1 will be 3y plus k. Okay. Now same element 3y plus k. So you can take common 3y plus k. So 3y plus k is common. Then 1, 1, because we are taking out common 3y plus k. So rest of the elements are same only. Now 1, 1 to make 0. How to make 0? 1 minus 1 0. It is very easy. 1 minus 1 0. Now second, that is column 2, C2, column 2 minus column 1 apply, and column 3 minus column 1. Column 1 is fixed. Take fixed column 1, so C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. So apply this. C2 minus C1, so 1 minus 1 0. Then y plus k minus y. So k only k. So y minus 1, y 0. Okay. Now C3 minus C1, y 1 minus 1 0, y minus y 0. Then y plus k minus y, that is y cancel k. Okay. Now from C2, that is column 2, 0 k 0, so we can take common k. And from column 3 also 0 0 k, So you can take common k. So k into k square. See, k square is there, k square into 3y plus k. So 1 y 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Now expand now, find its value. So along C3, because C3 only one element 1 is there, other two are 0, easily we can calculate. So at one position, deleting corresponding rows and column, so this one left, 1 0 y 1, this determinant, 1 0 y 1. So calculate this determinant. 1 into 1 is 1, second order determinant, 1 into 1 1 minus 0 into y 0, so 1. So answer is k square into 3y plus k. Okay, so this is the right hand side. Clear now? Hello, is okay?
Yes, sir.
And others also? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No, not only you, and others?
Sir, I am only the one in the class.
Now one more boy is there?
Sir, he left.
Oh, left. Okay. So, question number 11. Say, by using properties of determinants, show that a minus b minus c, 2b, 2c, 2a, b minus c minus a, 2c, 2a, 2b, c minus a minus b. Okay. So, this is the determinant, and this equal to prove that a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay. So see the right hand side, a plus b plus c is there. So how to make a plus b plus c? How to make a plus b plus c? Any idea? Hello? How to make a plus b plus c?
Sir, we can apply like in first column, like not first column. Sir, in first row we can do a plus b plus c.
Minus c plus 2b plus
Sir,
2c.
in first row.
So a minus b minus c plus 2b plus 2c. Then a plus b plus c will come, because minus b plus 2b
Yes,
plus c
sir.
and minus c plus 2c plus c will come. So a plus b plus c is coming. A plus b plus c. So apply R1 plus R2 plus R3 at R1 position, row 1 position. Okay, see? So a plus b plus c. Then second one also 2a plus b minus c minus a plus 2c. That is b and 2a minus a plus a and 2c minus c plus c. So a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. And third one also 2a plus 2b and minus a minus b. So a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c. Okay. Now see a plus b plus c. We can take common same element, all the three elements of row 3, row 1. So a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Take common a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, take common. Then 1, 2b, 2c. 1, b minus c minus a, 2c, and 1, 2b, c minus a minus b. Okay. So now to make 0, how to make 0? 1 minus 1. Now c2 minus c1 and c3 minus c1. So c2 minus c1, apply c2 minus column 2 minus column 1 and column 3 minus column 1. So column 1 is fixed, 1, 2b, 2c. So now 1 minus 1 is 0 and b minus c minus a minus 2b. That means all are minus. Minus a minus b minus c, minus n common, minus into a plus b plus c. Then 2c minus 2c, 0. Now c3 minus c1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Then 2b minus 2b, 0. Then c minus a minus b, minus 2c. So all minus, minus sign common, a plus b plus c. Okay. Now see, column 2, a plus b plus c, you can take common. Minus, also you can take common, or plus also. A plus b plus c take common from C2, column 2. And from column 3 also, a plus b plus c common. So, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square, and one more a plus b plus c already is there. So 3a plus b plus c. So this is cube, a plus b plus c whole cube. And here remaining minus 1 and here minus 1. Okay. Now expand. Along C3 also you can expand. So plus minus plus, that is minus 1 along C3. Then which determinant left? 1, 0, 2b minus 1. So minus 1 into this, minus 1 into 1, 0, 2b minus 1. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Now minus 1, c, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. So a plus b plus c whole cube. A plus b plus c whole cube.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the answer, result. A plus b plus c. Next, this is number 2, 11-2. Okay. So 11-2 is x plus y plus 2z, zz, and x, y plus z plus 2x, x, then y, x, z plus x plus 2y. And right hand side is 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. That means need x plus y plus z. So, how to make x plus y plus z? Hello? How to make x plus y plus z?
Sir, so we can no idea.
Add addition r1 plus r2 plus r3. See, x plus y plus z. Then c1 or 2z is there. Okay. Then c1 plus c2 plus c3 add x plus y plus 2z plus x plus y. So x
Yes,
2
sir. C1 plus C2 plus C3 it will be there.
c1 plus c2 plus c3 apply. So
Yes, sir. 2 into x plus y plus z. It is
yes, 2x
applicable.
plus 2y plus 2z. So 2 into x plus y plus z. And second one also same only. 2y plus 2z. So 2 into x plus y plus z. And third one also x plus z, x plus z. So 2 into x plus y plus z. Now, then 2 into x plus y plus z take common. 2 into x plus z, y plus z common. So take 2 into x plus y z. Now remaining is 1, 1, 1, x, y plus z plus 2x, x. Then x, y, z plus x, 2y. Okay, now to make 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So apply row 2 minus, at row 2 position, row 2 minus row 1. And at row 3 position, row 3 minus row 1. So, row 2 minus row 1, then 1 minus 1, say 0. Then y plus z plus 2x minus x, y plus z plus x, x plus y plus z. Okay? Now, y minus y 0, it is 0. So, another one is row 3 minus row 1. Apply. So, first one is 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Then second is x, row 3 minus row 1, x minus x, 0, x minus x also 0. Then z plus x plus 2y minus y. So z plus x plus 2y minus y. So z plus x plus y. That means x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z. Now see, from row 2, 0, x plus y plus z and 0. So we can take common x plus y plus z from row 2. And from row 3 also you can take common 0, 0, x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z common. So 2x plus y plus z common. That means whole square x plus y plus z whole square. And 1 is already there. So x plus y plus z whole cube. 2 into. Now remaining is 1, 0, 0, x 1, 0, y 0, 1. So expand along row 3. So row 3 is 0, 0, 1. So along 1 deleting corresponding rows and columns. So which determinant left? 1, 0, x 1. So what is the value of this? Diagonal element multiply 1 into 1, 1 minus x into 0, 0. So result is 1 into 1. So 1. So 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube into 1. Into 1 minus 0. So overall 1. So answer is 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. The given result is this is the right hand side. Okay?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Next question is question number 12. By using properties of determinant, show that 1 x square x x1 x square x cube x square x1. This is equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. So 1 minus x cube whole square, this is equal to. Now see here, if you apply R1 plus R2 plus R3, see same element will come. See 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. So take common 1 plus x square, because see the right hand side 1 minus x cube, no? So what is the formula?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula 1 minus x cube? Tell. A cube minus b cube formula use. 1 minus x cube formula. Hello. 1 minus x cube
Yes.
formula.
Sir,
A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, no?
yes, sir.
So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b means 1 minus x. And a square means 1 plus ab x plus x square. So 1 plus x square is coming now from this right hand side. Yes. From this right hand side, 1 plus x square is coming now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see here, if we add R1 plus R2 plus R3, then 1 plus x square is coming now. Okay. So we apply R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is 1 plus x square. So now see all the three elements of row 1, 1 plus x square. Now take common 1 plus x square common. So taking out the common factor 1 plus x square.
Yes, sir.
Remaining element is 1. So 1, 1, 1. Then other two rows, row 2 and row 3 elements are fixed, same. So x square 1 x square 1. Okay. Now to make 0. How to make 0? 0. 1 minus 1, 0.
Yes, sir.
C2 minus C1, 0. And C3 minus C1, 0. And C1 is fixed. So first to write C1, 1 x square x. So C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus x square, then x square minus x, x square minus x. Then C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1, 0, x minus x square, then 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Okay? Now, use formula here, 1 minus x square, a square minus b square formula, 1 plus x into 1 minus x. And here x is common, then 1 minus x. And third row, say, second element, x square minus x is common, x minus 1, and here 1 minus x. So now, taking out common, 1 minus x into 1 minus x. 1 minus x common from C2 and C3, column 2 and column 3.
Yes, sir.
1 plus x square into 1 minus x into 1 minus x. So remaining elements are 1 plus x into minus x and 0 x into 1. Now 1 x square x, 0 1 plus x minus x, 0 x 1. So expand now, expand along row 1. See, row 1 found the first element is 1, other two are 0. So 0 into something 0. So no need to calculate these two parts. Only first part you have to calculate. So deleting corresponding rows and column along this element 1. So which determinant is left? 1 plus x, x. 1 plus x, x. Minus x, 1. Minus x, 1. Okay? So this is the determinant. So find its value. What is the value of the determinant? Tell how to find. Hello?
Yes, sir.
How to find this determinant value? Tell. 2 into 2 order. 2 into 2 order.
Sir, we have to into, like,
Into. Which element? Diagonal element first.
sir.
Diagonal element.
Yes, sir.
See, you can see 1 plus x. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So 1 plus x into 1. These two diagonal. Okay, diagonal element. 1 plus x into 1.
Yes,
So 1
sir.
plus x, 1 plus x into 1 means what? 1 plus x
Yes, sir.
minus x into minus x. So x minus x into minus x. Minus
Yes,
plus and x into x square. That means
Yes, sir.
1 plus x square, no?
Yes, sir.
1 plus x square. Okay. You're okay. First to finish this. Then see 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. So 1 minus x cube into, this is the formula, see, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, a cube minus b cube. So 1 minus x cube. So 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube is 1 minus x cube whole square. Okay, this is the right hand side. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the result. Okay? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Wait, now. Wait, just a minute. See. Sorry. Wait. Yes. Okay. You can see. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See. How to expand or how to find 2 into 2 order determinant. See.
Sir, we have to into diagonally, no?
See. This suppose 2. Okay. 2. Sorry. 2, 5. Okay. 7, 3. 2, 5, 7, 3. This is 2 into 2 order determinant. You can see my screen. Hello?
No, sir. Sir, screen is not visible.
Not visible.
Sir, you're presenting this. Sir, you're presenting the screen.
Not visible.
No, sir, it's not visible. No, sir.
Wait. Something. 1 minute.
Yes, sir, it's visible now.
Yes. Okay. Now you can see it is visible now.
Yes, sir.
2, 5, 7, 3. No, 2 into 2 order 1 determinant.
Yes, sir.
So tell them what is the value of this determinant. Is equal to what is the value of this determinant? Say these 2 and 3 are diagonal element now. 2 and 3, these 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first to multiply diagonal element. So multiply diagonal element means 2 and 3 now. 2 and 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
2 into 3. Okay. Clear? First
Yes, sir.
diagonal elements 2 into 3 minus
35.
5 into
7.
5 into 7. Okay. So this is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
6.
Minus 35.
6 minus 35 no?
Yes, sir.
Equal to minus 29.
29.
Minus 29. Clear now? How to find 2 into 2 order?
Yes, sir.
One more.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
One more you see. See. Suppose C, D. This ABCD. Okay, you can see.
Yes, sir.
So, just a minute. It is actually I am doing the first time this. Okay, don't mind. Okay, hello. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am doing the first time. Need
Okay,
practice.
sir.
Need practice actually.
Okay, sir.
You are Sakshi, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Class. Okay, okay. Then, see, this A, B, C, D. This. Okay, this is a determinant.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now you tell how to find what is the value of this determinant. Or
So
expand.
it will be AD minus BC
AD minus
minus BC.
BC. Good. It is clear. Now clear, understand? Diagonal element, how to
Yes,
find?
sir.
Huh?
Yes,
Today,
sir.
today
Yes, sir.
practice. Today practice this second order and third order also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Huh? Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
all the question, this exercise, no, you need practice.